Clocks are all broken, lights are fading out. No one knows I'm here in this cloud of stone. I can disappear. I'm running away, but taking the same turn. Thought I forgot, but the memory still burns. Drawing eyes everywhere I go. Been too long since I saw you glow. Lay down, dream of something, someplace warm like deserts, a sweet breeze that blows the pain away. What is right or wrong? Who's not to decide? Know the truth I know needs a place to hide. Help me through my way, help me sort it out. There's so much in here I could do without. Know the time I had was never enough. Know we started last, then forgot to stop. And even if I tried, I could never change. No help from above, I remain deranged. And I could never tell what's the price to pay. And I have nothing more, nothing than drawing eyes everywhere I go. Been too long since the game we played left me blind and deaf. Now hollow face and now for today. The thing that's left is a promise I won't forget to try. And if I lose all the reasons why, the only cure is just to dream a while. Every time I take a look at the people all around me, they seem to be, at least to me, like the undead walk on earth. And every step that I take, and every movement that I make, I feel that I'm in danger. I feel that I'm a stranger in a strange, strange land. Space invaders, I will never gonna shoot you. I never gonna shoot you. Come along. Space invaders, I will never gonna shoot you. I never gonna shoot you. Come along. Where do I belong? Can you take me home? So all the people take a Can you take me home? Can you take me home? Space invaders, I will never gonna shoot you, I never gonna shoot you, come along. Space invaders, I will never gonna shoot you, I never gonna shoot you, come along. Where do I belong? Can you take me home?